Redoing one job costs more than buying the right blade. Most contractors don't lose money because they're slow. They lose money because they have to do the same job twice. One cracked tile, one chipped edge. Now you're buying new material and losing half your day. I switched to this double-row diamond blade because it cuts smoother, runs cooler, and helps me finish the edge with the same blade. Less fixing, more working. That's how professionals stay profitable. Tap the cart and make every cut count.